This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about lip and tape bags, specifically this great line by BagTech of lip and tape bags. And they're a really quick solution for wrapping foods since they're kind of just like a all-in-one type of packaging. You can see the bag itself opens and the top is actually lower down, and there's this great flap on the top end where there's a nice little piece of backing there that you can peel away, and it reveals that tape, and all you have to do then is fold it over and stick it in place, and your bags are sealed and your items are contained. So it's a nice little thing that eliminates the need for a heat sealer, for any kind of clamp, or any kind of ties like twist ties, ribbon, or anything else like that. It makes packing up small items really quick and easy, especially if you're going to do a lot of it or you're doing it really quickly, say during service, if you're packing up to-go orders. There's a bunch of different sizes. We have the 9x6 over here, the 4 3/4 by 4, 6x4, the 10x8, which is great for larger items, the 5x3, the 7x5, and the 4x3. So these are perfect for packaging things like cookies, small candies, or other items that you might want to sell in bulk or sell a few pieces of. Like these are great for 2 little sticks of biscotti or other cookies. Maybe if you're doing things to go along with coffee or tea and you want some cute things up by the register, that's a great way to help increase sales. Or anything that you're going to sell in bulk by the pound. You've got some great size options that you can bag various things up. The plastic is really crystal clear, so it'll show off your items not only to your customers but also your employees. So if you're packing stuff up for service, especially to-go service, and maybe you have multiple flavors of things and you want people to be able to easily identify them, grab them, put them in those packages so they're ready to go out the door quickly, this is a nice solution. It's also grease resistant, which makes it great for packing up all types of items, even if they're buttery or whatever the case may be. They're easy to seal, and the plastic itself is recyclable, which is a great solution and makes cleanup easily because they can just go in the garbage. They are also heat resistant, so if you have any items that maybe customers are taking home that need to be reheated, they can actually go in the microwave, which makes them super convenient for your customers as well. So these are a great solution for any type of business that's looking to pack up items quickly, whether they be small cookies and pastries or items for to-go service, or even small items for retail. If you need small bags for, say, jewelry, trinkets, or other things that are going by the register, they're a quick, self-sealing, all kind of inclusive type of packaging that works wonders for a variety of uses.